So a lot of people in Colorado think that they have to rely solely on the internet in order to find buyers for their homes. But that's just not true. As a licensed realtor, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why you should never exclusively rely on the internet with selling a home. So number 1, my personal network. So just reaching out to everybody I know, past buyers, other agents, anybody that might be interested in buying my client's home. Number 2, local marketing. Just really relying on targeted marketing through open houses, reaching out to neighbors, anybody that I think might be interested in the home that we're trying to sell. Number 3, professional connections. A lot of people are still moving to Denver, and there's a lot of relocation companies out there that I can reach out to and a lot of times find potential buyers. And number 4, traditional media. Relying on what's worked in the past. Flyers, brochures, targeted marketing within certain neighborhoods. Anything that's worked before will most likely work again. Tap below to learn exactly how this multi-channel advertising approach works and how it can also help you with selling your house in the future.